Hi everybody, Gary Porter again. I've got a little update I want to give you. I ended up burning up the board. I blew out the bridge here and the Irams part, so I moved the high HIN 1, 2, and 3 and LIN 1, 2, and 3 over to this board, and we're taking this board over to I moved the drivers over here, and I've been messing with these resistors on the high side, low side on the gate, trying to get the better square waves to the FETs in the back. I put a dummy load out here. I don't know what it is, maybe 100 k ohm resistors, just to see if the square waves got through okay without frying more parts. When I first turned this on, these FETs weren't mounted like this. They were vertical. I ended up having a piece of wire stuck down in the first one. I ended up blowing that up, and that reflected back onto the board. Took out the fuse, and then also over here took out some zeners and a couple of driver chips, and just because of a piece of stupid wire. But anyway, I'm ready to test this again, but I've got some of these wires are almost broken off right here, so I've got to do their length a little bit longer, and then I can fire it back up again. But right now I've got nice square waves coming out of the drivers here. I've got on the high side, I've got 100 ohm resistor for the gate, and on the low side I've got 10 ohm resistors, and that gives me a nice square wave going into the gates on the high and low side. I've got the Variac over here set up for about, I guess it's about 20 volts, but yeah, 20 to 25 volts, and that's it. So we're looking good. I got everything's